Good evening, children. If you remember, in our third video, we have sent a file to the drive of mobile phone in the Reflite mail ID. As you can see here, I am working on my laptop and the same file is visible to me on the drive of my laptop. I have signed in with the same ID which I had used on my mobile phone. If you want to compare, you can also compare the drive available over here and the drive available on your mobile phone, which I have already shown to you. Now I'll click on my class, and as you can see, if the due date is there, you can see all your assignments to the left hand side of the screen. If you do not find the attachment over here, or if you do not find any assignment over here, you can just scroll to the stream or the classwork option. Now as I have the assignment over here, so I will click on this, and this is the assignment which is sent by the teacher, and on the right hand side you have the same option, your work, assigned, and then add or create. So I will click on the add or create option, and I will click on the Google Drive as I have the file available on my drive. If you click on the recent option, whatever recent files you have used, that is this one, if you double click on this, it will start uploading the file, and see, the file has been uploaded. If you want to add any file which is available on your computer or laptop, then you can click on the plus sign, that is add or create, and then you can click on the file option. Once you do that, the same menu will appear. Click on browse, and just add the file you want to add. You can see the second file is also getting updated. Now if you want to add a link of any quiz or form or any other thing which you have made, you can just add the link over here, copy the link address and paste it over there. So in this way we can add the assignments over here, and then we will just click on turn in. Two attachments will be submitted for computer chapter 4 copy notes. I will again show you just one more time. I will add one more file. I will go to file and just browse wherever is the file available. It may be on desktop, it may be available on downloads or any other place wherein you just search it and click on that. Once you do that, the file will start getting uploaded. Here it is, and then I will click on turn in. Now we have 3 attachments over here, and then I will again click on turn in. Turn in and hand in, remember these two terms, and you can see now as unsubmit is coming, that means my assignment has been submitted, and now instead of assigned over here I can see turned in. That means my assignment has been submitted to my teacher. Thank you.